This is May, it's 2024, and I'm in Norwich for the Diceni Games and Wargames show. I can only apologise, this is being broadcast late, but at the time I was just recovering from a serious illness. In fact, I was surprised I managed to film anything at all. So approximately 1 month late, this is the Diceni show at Norwich. Okay, it's May, it's Norwich, county town of Norfolk, and it must be Diceni. If anything, I think the show is a bit bigger than last year. It seems to be busier, more people. They've got the foyer area of the library and BBC studios here, and over there in the distance, they've also taken over the gallery and auditorium area. So again, we've got about, as with last year, about 30 to 40 tables, traders, games, things going on. It's not just what you see here, it's also what you see over there. Last year I described this show as small but perfectly formed, and I still stick to that opinion. Small but perfectly formed. Just switched over to this side. Over there we've got Aftermath, whichever you like. Swinging over to here, we have Athena offering free gaming, which I take it is demonstrations and participations. And over here we have Badger's Games with the lovely Tim just off to the right there. I've waved at him, he's completely ignored me. Never mind. So Badger's Games over there, and then we'll look around and see actually get down to ground level and see what's happening there. Right, I'm back at Badger's Games, which are right by the entrance. Big selection of stuff, which I'm now going to pan down to. Young people's things, older people's things, you name it, they got it. If I edge up to here, all continuing that way. Past this lovely lady who's dressed in what appears to be a medieval costume. What are you dressed as?
I'm dressed as a marcher.
Merchant?
Is a marcher.
A marcher?
Yeah, so it's not medieval costume, it's live action roleplay costume.
You're a LARPer?
I am a LARPer indeed.
So, we like a LARP around here.
But today's adventure, I thought I'd dress up warm, and then the sun came out.
Yes,
made it a mistake.
Medieval wool tends to have that effect on people, doesn't it?
Keep it dry though.
Yeah.
On this lovely sunny day.
On this sweaty day, it will be a bit wetter than you think. Anyway,
yeah.
Lovely costume.
Thank you very much.
Take care. We have Slice and Dice over there, which is an independent board game cafe and bar nestled in the fine city of Norwich. Well, given the fine city bit. They've got a selection of games on show, which I'm just going to pan along now. Looks like something for all periods and all tastes. So, as mentioned upstairs, this is Slice and Dice, board game cafe and bar. Apparently they're vegetarian. Staff help out with the rules. Oh, and they've even got a license. What more can you ask for? So that's Slice and Dice. Let's have a quick look at what they're doing. So still at the Slice and Dice stall. There's some of the models they're doing. And I'm going to swing over to a close-up of some of their models. Here looks like possibly 10-12mm fantasy. Sci-fi there.
I mean, that was the intended use, was the Sportmaster. And I
More
played
over there.
Times. It's a great game, but it needs
Oh yes, quite a lot. I'll go to the other end.
20, 30, 20.
Right, this is the other end of the slice and dice. Looks like futuristic mini tanks. Oh. Gaslands in 10mm cars. So they're very much Mad Max. This is full spectrum dominance. And finally ROK minis. Nice, very, very nice. A lot of variation. At this scale you can move them around easily and take them to events. I particularly like the ruined models. Scale appears to be about 10 or 12mm. Very nice. Right, we're coming to the gallery area. A variety of traders offering a variety of things. My eyes were particularly drawn to Shrike Studio. Lovely bit of steampunk, late 1890s fantasy art there. Just zero EU in on it. And the guy's also wearing a great t-shirt as well, with zero in on that. Love the t-shirt, mate, love the t-shirt. Right, but models are here. Much drawn to them. There's actually a sort of fantasy version of HMS Dreadnought in there. And what looks distinctly like some sort of aircraft carrier, is that correct?
Yes. I think I roughly based it on.
Yeah, well, you can pay your money and take your choice for that period, can't you? Right, you're also doing Zone 28. I take it that's a sort of dystopian future apocalyptic thing, is it?
Yeah, so it's like a apocalyptic role-playing game.
Yeah, role-playing game there. And the Blight Seas Fleet, is that the rules?
Yes.
Are they yours as well?
Yes.
Oh. Own rules, own models?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a neat package, aren't you? Okay. Okay, so that's Shrike Studio doing the Blight Seas Fleet. Lovely play on the High Seas Fleet there. What's the next one going to be called? The Grand Fleet? Have a baby grand piano on the front. And Zone 28. I take it it's online as well, it can be found?
Yes.
Look for it online. The person selling is a very nice host. Right, we have One Bold Studio presenting Fate of Witches, which is a coven building card game. Oh, go for that. And here they are having a go. So it's Fate of Witches. And there's his t-shirt. He doesn't realise I'm here. Right. Parable Games are producing quite a few bits of product actually. I can see some Gothic rule books there under the title of Shiver, and nice dice, a bit more Shiver over there, and yeah, the artwork looks interesting. Not my thing, but I know that people like it. So this is Parable Games, Shiver.
I mean, yesterday they did the Star Wars Day stuff. There was like a chat point going on.
Right, this is a Star Wars themed game.
I'll just keep your eye out on the Thena's website and Facebook page.
Yeah, no, I'll have to. I don't think I've got them on that. So no,
And I think it's coming from Athena, who are also outside in the main building. Right, here we have Mint and Mustard, RPG dice and accessories, plus homeware, gifts and stuff with a geeky twist. So let's see what we got. Oh, I like the mugs. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of dice. Yes. So this is Mint and Mustard doing RPG accessories, dice, and interesting mugs. What's going on that one? Six and stones made, break my bones. But vicious mockery might actually kill me. Love it. This is Sphere Products, who are producing a wide range of general modelling stuff, but some kits. Oh, they've even got Monty's Humber in there as well. So I'm seeing a lot of kits, lots of tools, paints, you name it, he's got it. They are online at www.sphereproducts.co.uk, and we'll just catch their sign up there as well. Workstations, storage racks, transit cases, you name it, he's got it. Lovely. Right, here we have the Dioramas Renegades, and they're doing a modern horror in 40mm figures. I'm going to zero in here. Again, I've got to be careful with this children present, but the parents say they are aware I'm here and I can shoot over their shoulders. So it's a modern 40mm modern horror participation game. Figures are 40mm high, and I'll swear they were here last year and they appear in my previous film. So it's the Dioramas Renegades. Something a little bit different, guide dogs. Running a tombola and doing a bit of fundraising for the guide dogs. I'm here with the Diceni hosts, which is the Aftermath Wargames club based here in Norwich. This particular game is a sort of Soviet versus Afghans Black Hawk Down. You could call this one Black Hind Down.
Oh, yeah. In line with a rifle? Serious.
On which one?
Who do you want? The RPG man or...
Serious.
So it looks like Russian special forces are in there somewhere. And there's some suggestion that Donald Trump might be a hostage. And we're all taking bets on when he gets shot. So this is Russia's warring Afghanistan, late 80s.
Well, someone's in there to search that, yeah.
So a version of Black Hawk Down.
Downstairs.
Right, and this is the Aftermath Club's other game. They're doing the Kett's Rebellion in Norwich, which is a very, very local event. 1548 or 1549. Rebellion against, it would have been King Edward VI. Local land issues involved as well. The Kett brothers took an army up onto Mousehold Heath above the town and then proceeded to attack it. Street fighting in the town itself, it did happen. There was a cavalry charge outside the cathedral, for example. All ended very badly, and the Kett brothers, one got hung off of Windham Abbey and the other one got hung off of Norwich Castle. Neither of them came to a happy end. So this is the Aftermath Club, who are the hosts here. Kett's Rebellion 1549. Right, this is another view of the Aftermath Kett's Rebellion. Put a lot of effort into the townscape. Norwich was the second or third largest city in Britain, but East Anglia had been much affected by the Protestant Reformation, and some of the locals were not very happy. So it's Kett's Rebellion, 1549. Look it up, it's a fascinating period. Another one, this is Aftermath again, and this is now doing Blood Bowl. Sort of fantasy American football based game. Unfortunately, rather strong shadows. There's not a lot I can do about that. Try and get the...
Oh, it won't count.
Let's see if I can get the second game over there.
Thank you very much.
As soon as it cools down, it stops.
So it's Blood Bowl being organised by our hosts, Aftermath. Sorry about the strong shadows. Right, we have the Disney Lorcana trading card game. Appears to be very much Disney based, so that's that over there. Right, going in very, very small. These are 2mm. Yes, if I start painting those, my white stick will arrive next week. 2mm. This is the Wroxham-based Cowards Wargames Club.
How far back do you go?
And they're doing the Battle of Mons Graupius, which is when Tacitus took on the massed might of the Caledoni or Caledonian hill tribes. He claims he won, but the Scots might differ on that subject. If he won, why didn't the Romans stay there? That sort of thing. I swear I saw this last year as well. It's the Pandyman trench offensive in a very large scale. Looks like it could be 54mm or more. There's a shot down Sopwith Camel over there. And you've got a network of trenches and bunkers. No figures out at the moment, but there is a wrecked British Mark 1 or Mark 4 tank just there. A male tank because it's got the long barrel gun. Right, this is the actual Athena stall. Nice selection of stock leading off in that direction. Over there. At the other end is the Pandyman stall, which is tied in with the trench game you just saw. Unfortunately, I've got to be careful how I film up there because as a child. So, a little close up on the stock there. Over near the door we have Surplus Wargaming Emporium. Notice that Surplus, S-I-R-P-L-U-S, they're based in Magdalen Street, or is it Magdalen Street in Norwich, so they're a nice local business. So just panning back. Very nice selection. What are we right in assuming that some of this is pre-owned?
Yep.
Right.
Pre-owned and
I like to use the term pre-owned rather than second-hand. Previously loved.
That's it.
A bit like me. Okay. This has been a Warspite production. If you've enjoyed this, please leave a thumbs up. If you've really enjoyed it, please feel free to subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next time. This is Warspite out, and have a very good day.